Guess where I am? Bangalore. हम ये केक मिक्स उठा रहे हैं अपने बच्चे के लिए. Boiling. If you were not the one to take your broke ass home. पता है इसको आगे घर में जाके मुझे realize होता है कि मैं कितनी गंदे तरीके से रहती हूँ. Yeah, I just keep doing it. Like I should maybe just do an ad for Bangalore. Bangalore should sponsor me. But let me show you my fit check because I'm waiting for Pratham to come. हाँ भाई यहाँ तो बिल्कुल भी ठंड नहीं है. But this is what I'm wearing. My mom got this cord set for herself from some Instagram brand. पागल लड़की. हाँ. And yeah, I am so sleepy. My flight was at 12. And people think I'm talking to a wall, but like my flight was at 12 and उसके बाद फिर मैं सुबह जल्दी उठ गई थी. आजा भाई. Hey queen. I was waiting for so long. 20 minutes.
What the fuck? Promise?
No.
How long are you waiting for?
Like 7 minutes.
Fucking idiots on the road.
It's fine, come. This is अपना मुंह बंद करिए. अपना मुंह बंद करिए. This is a few hours later and I was working. And now in this vlog I'm going to take you to all the places that we recommend in Bangalore. I feel like I know more places here than in Delhi. Also I hate to admit that there might be better cafes here. Not like cafes, but like better restaurants. Cafes are still better in Delhi, but better restaurants here, especially Asian. So right now we're going to Koreaki. Where is it, Pratham? What's the area?
Kalyan Nagar.
In Kalyan Nagar. We've been there not a lot of times, maybe just like 12-15 times, right? But we're gonna go there and they serve corn dog and these like, what is it called? They serve corn dog, baos, what is that?
K-pop.
K-pops and ramen. They basically use Shin ramen only or bulldog, but they make it in their own way. You'll see it in the vlog. But first, I need to wash my face. Right, it's not that cold here, like compared to Delhi, obviously. This is much better. Guys, I've gotten these random ass pimples from I don't know where. Like अब तो travel से पहले से ही. Damn annoying. What is this? And it's so red. Tell your girlfriend that I'm your girlfriend. Pratham? Yeah. Look, suddenly I'm getting so many pimples here. Just when right after you touch my face, something like this happens. I'm putting a pimple patch to make it at least look cute. एक चोर घुस आया. ये चोर. Show me your eyes once in the light. Nice. Yo, Korean ramen.
Hot and spicy, yeah.
Right, hot and
Hot and
spicy.
spicy, yeah. One Diet Coke, one Cherry Coke. I think so. Yeah, you want egg, right? Less cheese?
Yeah,
One egg. Fucking annoyed and I couldn't do anything. I was just helpless.
I remember last time also we got katsu.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Some Coke thing we had. Coke belly.
Yeah, it was also good, but this was much better.
Yeah. It was too good.
This is my favorite thing. This is Pratham's favorite thing.
Dancing shuru.
Good morning. This is the next day, and let's see if the pimple patch worked. I mean, it's dry. That it did. उससे ज़्यादा तो इसने आज कुछ किया नहीं है, वरना ये काम कर जाता है. Anyway, So इस सारी चिड़िया को अभी बात करनी है क्या? So I'll tell you what the plan is. पहले तो भाई सुबह से उठते it's 1 and I've just been working and so I just have to like I'm finishing up Vestigia work and there's nothing to finish up. It's just never ending. तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि damn, it's my second day and we haven't even done like a lot of stuff because of all this, but I have to send like 2 very important emails, then get like, actually never mind, I don't want to bore you guys, but in case you didn't know, I have a tableware brand where I do B2B and D2C, so we sell on Amazon and our website. So right now I'm figuring out the Amazon part and the B2B part, so I'm a little tad bit occupied and it's sort of ruining my mood because, well, I just want to have fun with my boyfriend. I don't see him enough and now I have to work, so that's, अरे बस कर दे भाई, बस कर दे, कितना बोलेगी ये चिड़िया. Anyway, but one thing we're going to do, so we do this a lot, okay, कि जब भी हम साथ होते हैं we cook something because in Pune also and I love cooking, so my love language is also cooking for others, so and we love eating also, we're like proper eaters. So what we're going to do is that we're going to make this recipe, I'll put it in description also, अगर मैं भूल गई तो मुझे मारना मत. So there's this creamy Korean ramen from this restaurant called Kailin. It's in Delhi and it's in Bangalore. When I tell you, that's the most beautiful ramen ever. Like, it's the yummiest ramen ever. बट हम उस रेस्टोरेंट में सिर्फ रामेन खाने नहीं जाना चाहते क्योंकि फिर उनको लगा कि कैसे से लोग हैं, एक चीज़ ला के आके वो भी स्प्लिट करके चले गए. प्लस मुझे घर पे बनाना है, तो मैंने एक रेसिपी देखी और we're gonna cook that together in like a bit. Abhi his cook is already making food in the kitchen, so I don't want to interrupt, like, you know, too many chefs ruin the dish, but actually too many chefs ruin the kitchen. I realize that people who like love cooking or just like their cooks, they don't like it when people are in their kitchen, so मैं नहीं जाना चाहती and I don't want to be like आंटी वो दे दो, आंटी ये दे दो, आंटी वो दे दो. Nope, I'm gonna cook when she leaves. Until then I'm gonna like finish up maybe half of my work ताकि मैं खाने के बाद करूँ, because I don't want to do it right now, bro, honestly. Like, घर पे it's like I have no other option and I'm very grateful for the work. But here, I'm like... Anyway, that was my update. You want me to get out of it?
Mm.
If you were a real kidnapper, I'll tell you what I'll do. Okay, hold me. Like, I'm just walking. You're a kidnapper. First step would be... अबे देखो क्या पता मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? First step would be hitting you with my head, okay?
Yeah, I'll dodge that.
Huh?
No.
No, you won't dodge it.
Cute.
I'll hit you with my head like this.
Okay.
And I'll bring my leg up and just hit your knee.
Okay. That would be bad.
And then I'll take my ass, like, hit you like this, and then hit you with my head
I'll
again.
give you a kiss.
No kidnapper gives a kiss. Okay, let's start cooking. Where's he from? Who's that guy? Our Blinkit order is here. Blinkit should sponsor me, no? Once. कैसे पैसे की भूखी हूँ, हर जगह स्पॉन्सर मांगती रहती हूँ. Let me show you the ingredients you need. That wasn't needed. Alright, are you ready? If you ain't got no money, take your broke ass home. Spring onion के नाम पे पूरा पौधा. Oh, this is the loofah I wanted. Salted peanuts, mushroom, peanut butter, Wishcare sunscreen because I forgot to get mine. Coconut milk, nor vegetable soup because we didn't have veg broth. Who the fuck is gonna make veg broth? So I'm just gonna use this. This is mainly for like some thickness, or you can use me also for some thickness. And lastly, we got these moist soy veg Hakka noodles. Yeah, I just hope that these noodles work. Otherwise, because ramen noodles work the best, but उसके लिए फिर मुझे रामेन ऑर्डर करनी पड़ती है, उसका मसाला ना यूज़ करके उसकी नूडल यूज़ करनी पड़ती, वो मुझे नहीं करना था. Okay, let's wait for Pratham and then we'll begin. Okay, first we have to chop the onions really. Pratham, how?
Fine.
Yeah, fine.
I can do it. I can.
No.
That's not fine enough.
Why? It will become
Okay,
fine.
watch your finger, please.
No, don't remove this time. ये इसको मैंने बोलता चॉप करने को, जो मैंने सब्जियां चॉप कर रखी है उसी को चॉप किए जा रहे हैं, बेवकूफ. If this is your speed, we'll get to eat like this is for dinner, Pratham. Then okay, don't cut your finger. Don't be all macho. Checking in after 5 minutes. We have mixed all our ingredients, and this
That's
looks...
it?
We just have to put this in it now, the noodles in it, and then we're done. Like we have to put saute mushroom and put that also, but that's not really a tough part. So, do you want to taste this?
Yeah.
Move.
I feel like it's still lacking something.
Salt. Good.
Yeah, it's a bit too peanut buttery. Quite good, no?
Let me fix it.
Nice though.
Alright. Let's hope it's as good as we expected.
Just flip the bowl and do it.
पागल उसमें पानी है इसलिए I'm not flipping.
Wait, we could use some more pani also.
We'll add milk. So this is how it looks. I have to admit that it doesn't look like. I think the broth still looked like it, and then suddenly I don't know what we did that.
Can I mix this?
No.
What?
Something we did that just made it normal peanut butter noodles.
No, it's not peanut butter noodle.
We have a bite now. And check.
Yeah, the Szechuan thing is completely.
Stop mixing it so much, Pratham.
Not soy sauce. Szechuan did help.
But I think it just tastes like our peanut butter noodles. Let's add some cream cheese now. And
Cream cheese and some salt.
salt, okay. Okay, I think let's not do more experiment in this right now.
Come and add some more cream cheese. Cream cheese.
I think it's nice. है ना? बस चलें खाने.
I just got a lot of Szechuan sauce.
The fuck? I'm so hungry.
I can do this.
Hey, it's the next day, and so I'm filming this interesting video with Pratham. It's like a Q&A which he like really doesn't want to do, but I'm forcing him to do it. So
Thanks for mentioning that.
yeah, okay. He's saying thanks for mentioning that. And after this, we've ordered something from Pizza 4Ps, and it's a like it was famous in Vietnam, and then when I dekha next thing, it's in Bangalore. How is that possible? Like, what? Why is it not in Delhi? Anyway, so we've ordered like lots of stuff from there. So first, I will film that other video with Pratham. I think by the time you're watching this, that video will already be out, and if it's not, then wait for it. And yeah, I'll see you when the food comes. That's the pizza. Pizza. Fuck me. Fuck me.
Amateur mistake.
That's the pizza.
40.
40? 30 is enough, right?
We'll see if it
थोड़ा soggy हो जाता है.
If it starts boiling, then
Boiling?
I mean.
Okay, let's see. This is the pasta. This is carbonara mushroom and bacon pasta. Whoa. Can I spread it?
Yeah. Put it on all the pieces, all the slices.
Move that. You got the big burrata, no?
Yeah.
Fucking hell. I'll put the chili oil also.
Yeah. And the oregano. Send it all over.
Diet ki maa ki chut. Like, how can I even diet if this is what's
What's
waiting
there?
for me?
Put the entire thing.
Wait, no?
Should I add some chili flakes normally?
No, I think this is good enough. Yeah, it has flavor. No,
Wait, please,
I'm not
please.
finishing so that we might want to put it on the pasta. क्या record कर रहा है बेटा?
Oh, sorry.
I'll put this on top.
Yeah. Make a line.
I'll put whole now. पूरा डाल दूँ?
Yeah.
Done. This is the bruschetta. 3 आए थे जिसमें से हम 2 खा ही चुके हैं. No, I'll eat.
I think
Mr. Sherman's called 136 times. You've never called him back, which means you're feeling
Good.
guilty and you're trying to. Only time I've ever seen you wear lavender was when your brother.
Okay,
was in
you
the
tried the
hospital.
pasta. I'll try the pizza. It's too good.
Let's plan it.
May I speak now? It's a few hours later and we are going to get matcha. And actually I was wearing a cool outfit, but then मुझे उसके ऊपर से पसंद की varsity pehni padi. This is what, this is our college varsity. Where's your number? Oh, he got number 767 and I got number 2. Let's go. It's good. Hey, that's so much.
Wait, just 3 minutes now. It's the air, right?
Hi guys. Good morning. I feel like this vlog is all over the place, but it is the next day. I don't know when you're watching it, but right now what the plan is that I am gonna go for like a lunch with Pradham's parents. Anyway, so first thing is that I'm gonna take a shower. I haven't taken a shower in 2 days. Disgusting. So I'll take a shower, get ready, and then we'll go. I changed my clothes, but I think this makes me look like a grandmom. So I'm wearing this blue. यार ये तो प्रेस भी नहीं हो रखी है. पता है किसी और के घर में जाके मुझे रियलाइज़ होता है कि मैं कितने गंदे तरीके से रहती हूँ. जेन्युइनली मतलब मुझे ऐसा फील होता है कि मेरा घर कितना ज़्यादा बिखरा रहता है पूरा टाइम एंड कोई तमीज़ नहीं है मुझे कि मैं कहीं भी, जैसे अब ऑब्वियसली मैं भाई अपने बॉयफ्रेंड के घर आई हूँ तो मैं इनफैक्ट मैं कभी भी किसी के भी घर जाऊँ तो मैं ऐसी हरकत करूँगी कि मैं सब कुछ बहुत समेट के रखूँगी अपना. राइट. ओके, दिस इज़ मच बेटर इवन दो इट्स अ लिटिल मुचका हुआ, बट वी विल जस्ट हैव टू मेक टू बिकॉज उससे तो बहुत ही बेटर. मतलब मैंने नीचे सिर्फ ब्लू जीन्स पहनी हुई है. दिस वॉज आई वोर दिस इन पुणे सो यू मस्ट हैव सीन इट. आई थिंक आई जस्ट ऐड अ बेल्ट और मैं अपने बाल खोलूँ या फिर बंद कर दूँ. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? इफ आई ओपन इट इट लुक्स लाइक दिस. Sometimes I just like even after getting ready I feel so ugly and I'm like okay, I'm gonna tie it and let's go. I think his parents are calling me.
For $1,200.
What? No.
Thai chili, lemon.
Oh, it's nice. I'll try from yours. I'm straight, so.
But you have to do cook-off, which we missed.
Yeah, I was telling them.
Your Vietnam trip said, you know, ma'am, I'm feeling depressed. No, it's but.
Filipino only.
So then they took us to a...
I don't think you covered the scenic part of it. This year is our 25th in December. So I was telling him, same, you should go back.
And like it's a big yacht and it's like an all-inclusive. It's like 7,000-8,000 rupees per person. It's an all-inclusive and it's beautiful. Like. Hi, it's a few hours later and now Pratham and I are going to the mall because he needs to buy some stuff. He's a shopaholic like that. Shut up. He loves shopping. And then after that, I'm sorry that I would chop ke baad because I'm eating Hajmola actually. See? But after that, we're going to this place called Saiko. Not Psycho, it's S-A-I-K-O.
S-A-I-K-O.
That's what I said, bitch. We'll have dinner, we'll come back. So come, let's go. I don't know if you guys heard that.
Tried calling on your phone.
There was this girl who was buying some stuff.
Yeah. Wait 1 second.
Okay, wait. His mom wanted some stuff, so we got that. I like expensive stuff. Sorry. So what I was saying is that there was this kid who got some stuff. And then it came to 667 and she just started yelling 67, 67, 67 and I was like, and her mom was like, no, don't do it. And she was like 67, 67. Oh my god.
You got it on video, no?
No, I tried getting it on video.
You got it in the start.
Maybe 7 I got. But she was like, hold this, I'll show how it was. Okay, you're the cashier and I'll ask you how much is my thing. You say 667.
Okay.
How much is my thing?
667.
67. Oh my gosh, she went crazy.
I really think you got it.
I got a little bit, maybe, I'm not sure. I was about to record, but I was so like shocked. This is the corn dog that we got. You want to try or should I?
You.
Okay. Record. Don't go that far. Come close. How will I yell so much? From the looks of it, it looks okay.
Hot.
What is that? It's good. No, right? Because the teriyaki one has potato layering around. समझा बीड़ू? आ गए अपने बच्चों के लिए सामान लेने. हम ये केक मिक्स उठा रहे हैं अपने बच्चे के लिए. और प्रथम लेफ्ट में. इसमें कुछ खास नहीं. What happened? Reese's. Come, I'll buy you all. Come, I'll get you this.
No.
Come, you love it.
No.
Come.
Trust me, I have my Reese's Socials. I have my dealers, and these are the things I don't like it. Just leave it.
You eat it.
No.
Promise?
Just leave it.
No, just let me get you.
No, I don't want it. I don't want the thin jar. I'll find proper peanut butter cup. It's fine.
It's not that crazy because my modern bazaar also has it. So don't feel so. Bangalore 0, Faridabad 500 till now.
Bangalore what?
Bangalore 0, Faridabad 500. Oi, your ass. Korean fried chicken. Where's the ramen that you saw, Pratham?
Wait. See, yes, crazy flavor popcorn also.
What the fuck about popcorn? Let's buy some.
Barbecue flavor also.
Yeah, I want to see the Korean noodles.
Which chup karna Korean करती रहती है हमेशा. There was cheese last time. You wanna?
Imagine if we just stay here and drink all the drinks and just keep leaving it at the counter. Do you
What?
think they'll get to know?
If we?
Like while walking around, okay, like you see all those drinks, we just keep eating them. Then I'm inside drinking them while walking. Show me the Korean noodles and we need to go.
Okay, yeah. I want to see this. Look at this. Massager.
Gee, yaar, I don't want to go.
Okay, I want to get the popcorn though.
What is wrong with you, yeah? We fucking went there, I sat down and then no, I don't want, no. Oh my god, you have Maggi pasta, big ones also. Wow. No, it's fine.
Why?
If I take, I'll eat.
It's fine, keep it. No, once in a while you can make it.
तो भाई दिल्ली में भी मिलता ही है ऐसा थोड़ी. वो रहा Korean noodles.
No, Prithvi was telling me
It's okay only, okay.
there's some laksa. It's damn good apparently.
We can get Coca. Utkarsh's dad used to get it a lot because he was posted in
I don't think I've
Assam.
ever had.
It's good. It's a little bland. That's all. But it's
don't
like
like bland.
it's like Maggi
Where's
for
mee goreng they have?
mee goreng.
Look for laksa noodles.
Laksa.
Yeah.
Found this place called Psycho Sushi House on a reel, and it could be a promotional reel now that I think about it because there's nobody inside, but they have onigiri. But we should go.
And it's in a fuck location also, so I don't think like it's very isolated. So
You don't think it's nice?
no, I don't think people might know about it that much.
Yeah, I guess, but it's fine. We'll go because there's nobody
Are you
inside.
sure we can go back to Mall of Asia, go to 8?
No, let's go. We'll go first. Let's go and order just the onigiri and see if it's nice. If it's nice, then we'll order sushi also.
Okay.
We'll go see the menu at least. Look at how empty. Like there is nobody inside. Hi. Can we do one yakitori perfection and one teriyaki chicken onigiri?
We could, but we'll have to parcel for sure. But I think we're going to struggle to eat what we already ate. Maybe we can take it home, no?
Oh, nice.
No bad.
And the one bite filled me up. Pratham staring at me weird. Are you just sitting like that staring at me? Stop looking at me, Moop. What the hell? You look like Billu, you know, like sometimes Billu just sits on my bed and looks at me. See? He's hiding his face, he's sitting like that. Fine, done. Done. Why are you sitting like that? Why are you looking at me? Stop looking at me like that.
One bag.
See? Why are you looking at me like that? हाँ तेरे पास कुछ और नहीं है करने को? हट यहाँ से बदतमीज